Hello everyone, welcome to TradeLyser. If you're someone who trades regularly, whether it can be the stocks or options or futures, you probably already know one painful truth. Most traders don't actually know why they are making money or losing money in the market. They take trades every day, they simply switch strategies every week, watch endless videos, and follow some random tips, but never truly analyze their own performance on a day to day basis. And that's exactly why we built TradeLyser. Introducing TradeLyser, which is an AI powered trading journal and analytical platform designed to help traders become more disciplined, data driven, and consistent to become a profitable trader. Now, honestly, this idea came from a very real problem which I faced when I started my trading journey 7 years before. As a trader myself, I realized that tracking trades properly was a complete mess. Everything was scattered everywhere. During the initial times, I used to download all the reports from the broker to understand how I have taken the trade. I used to take a lot of screenshots, keep it in the folders, multiple Excel sheets to keep track of the entries, exits, day in and day out. A lot of Telegram notes that has been shared that goes into different folders. Random observation after market hours, which we normally analyze and put it into some notepads. All these things have been there in picture, and at one day I was trying to analyze and I was having a lot of questions in my mind. Say for example, I have a question like, what setup actually worked best for me? I was able to get some answer, but eventually that is not the right one. Why I'm losing on certain days? Am I over trading? Am I following my strategies consistently? Am I just trading emotionally? We have a lot of questions that keep popping in, but do we have an answer for it in the right way? I don't think so, because the data is scattered. That is where the TradeLyser comes into the picture. And we know in India, over 90% of the retail traders don't systematically track their trades. They rely on some fragmented spreadsheets that offer a little actionable insights, but they are like massively untapped potential of data that sits in different folders and files. We built TradeLyser that changes the way how you're going to track your trades. We are providing options to automatically sync the trades without even tapping in your entry and exit, providing a lot of insightful features which gives the traders the real information, AI driven insights, eventually providing the better view towards analyzing the patterns, providing some insights which have been not been visually available to you. When we started this journey, we have a very clear vision and mission towards how we want to build this product. Our mission was very simple. We want to build this as a go-to tool for the market users, eventually giving them a good, intelligent, ease of use system so that they don't want to rely on to their manual ways of tracking the trades and getting the insights on their own. And the vision is like, we want to build this platform for the Indian traders. It can be the most trusted trading journal analytical platform in India, so that the traders will deeply rely on to the platform to get their insights. Right, to introduce myself, I am Karthikeyan Anbarasan. I am the chief engineer who has developed this platform. I am a trader and a technologist. Being a technologist for the last 20 years, I have built strong, robust, scalable platforms for different enterprises. When I stepped into the trading journey, I was repeatedly seeing the same problem. Talented traders making the same mistake again and again because they don't have that insights, because they don't have the clarity. Trades were taken emotionally, outcome was forgotten, and lessons what has been learned has not been captured properly. So we understand this gap early, and we want to tap in over here and make sure TradeLyser tracks all the trades in the right way and offer them real insights in the right way. So to all the users and the partners, this is just the beginning. Together, we are going to build a beautiful product where the traders can operate with more clarity, without emotions, and confidence, not the guesswork. We have a lot of features incorporated in the platform. To highlight it, there are like few that has been listed over here. So as we know that we have been completely one-click sync up setup, so no need of manually entering the trades. In-depth analytics, very in-depth with multiple reports and strategy views towards how you're performing. Providing the performance analytics dashboards, completely customizable. You can set up your own dashboard, own base of your widgets and everything, so that it's much more customized for your own needs. AI driven insights, very important. We have introduced our AI coach Alicia. So this coach is going to provide you with a lot of insights. At a time when you want to understand, TradeLyser can help you understand, like you can ask Alicia, which setup performing best, which time of the day you trade well, where you have been the biggest loss happen, what is your win rate, what is your drawdown pattern. Everything is going to be answered on the fly by Alicia without you to manually go and check and each and every report. So it's going to be on the fly by our Alicia AI agent. And honestly, this changes the game because most traders operate on feelings, so professional traders operate on data. So this is how the retail traders need to think through before they are getting into becoming a full-time profitable trader. Now, another important part of trading that people usually ignore is psychology, the trader's psychology. We are going to concentrate on the trader's psychology as well. I see that as a 4 pillars, which is basically fear and hesitation, over trading because of your greed, and the next one is on emotional because you get into a loss streak and you're going for a revenge trading, lack of patience and discipline. So with TradeLyser, you can track your emotions before and after the trades, add notes, review mistakes, slowly start identifying behavioral patterns that affect your performance. And over time, this self-awareness becomes incredibly powerful, right? So this is where we want to make sure that platforms provide clarity to the users. Now coming to AI, because we know that we are in the AI world, this is where things gets really interesting. So Alicia AI analyze your trading behavior, generate meaningful insights automatically. Instead of manually spending hours reviewing the trades, platform helps summarize your strengths, weakness, recurring mistakes, improvements, everything. So rather than guessing on what's going wrong, you start getting actionable insights backed by your own trading data. And honestly, that is the future. Because trading without reviewing data is like trying to improve cricket without even looking at the scorecard. Now, our vision with TradeLyser is as simple as that. Don't get emotionally attached, no randomly taking trades, not based on the hype. When we started this journey, we went to the market. We understand what are the competitors, what they have been doing, why there are like a lack of clarity for the traders in the Indian market. So we have took all the available competitors in the market, and eventually we don't have anyone in India. That's very unfortunate. Last year when we started looking into it, so we took all the top brokers, top journal providers, and we compared, and we have compared with our product, our roadmap, our implementation. And today I can proudly say in India we don't have such a allied platform for trading journaling analytical system. There are some small 2-pager, 3-pager implemented vibe coded systems are in place, but eventually our platform is the top-notch one with covering end-to-end of everything that a trader is required for trading journaling analytical purpose. So today, if at all we take the comparison, we are on the top compared to the market providers as well, making sure that our platform is going to be reliably, scalably, robust, used by the traders. When we started this last year, we had our beta launch in September 2025, where we went live with 3 users or 3 brokers with a few beta testers. We got a lot of feedback. One of the feedback which I want to really highlight is, which is the core product of TradeLyser, is the health of the trader. We have connected with the health tracking tool, Whoop. So during your trading journey, during your trading hours, it tracks your heart rate, HRV, stress monitoring, sleep, everything it tracks and gives the insights whether you are prepared to take trade today or not, whether you have been prepared to get into your trading mood today or not, or you want to step away from it. Because if you're not having a proper sleep and if your stress level is high, eventually you're going to make a big negative decision in your trading on that particular day. So this gives that clarity to the trader whether you are good to go forward in taking your trade or not. This is one such example which we got from a beta testers, which has been implemented and which is live as well. And we went to the public launch in January 2026. We got a very good feedback from the users, and we have been scaling down, making sure that we have been integrated with all the brokers, getting a lot of functionalities day in and day out for the users basically. To give the milestones what we have, you can see we have been targeting for the next 2 years with a lot of features in place, making the platform much more robust for the traders as well. We've been following it out, and everything has been logged into the platform, where you can go to the website, you can able to see what is the roadmap, what are the features requested, everything has been tracked over there. And predominantly we are targeting towards every single broker who provides integration accessibility to get integrated with the TradeLyser. Now let's quickly see how you can access TradeLyser. To first give you a quick view, TradeLyser, it's basically traders analyzer. That is why we call it as TradeLyser.com. And eventually you have the website over here, TradeLyser.com, where you have all the informations. We have a lot of resources. We have a detailed documentation as well, which gives you each and every step-by-step information on how to use the platform, how you can connect to the brokers, what are the steps. It's much more details. I would request the users to please utilize this, get into the details, and if in any point in time you require any clarity, we are there to support. And you can able to see we have the blog section, we have the roadmap, feature request. If you want to have a one-to-one session with me, go ahead and book your schedule so that I can give you a demo as well, which you can be able to question and ask whatever the questions you have in your mind. Right, so now to access the platform, you can go with the start journaling. This is going to open app.tradelyser.com, which is our core portal. You need to register and access the platform. We have provided the free trials as well, so please utilize that so that you can try out the platform. And as I said, there are like n number of features in the platform. We are going to come up with a lot of videos on each and every feature in detail so that it's much more easier for you to understand and deep dive into the platform. We are continuously building new features, improving analytics, and making the platform smarter for traders every single day. And I would request, let me know your feedback in the comments or reach out to me. I would genuinely love to hear what features you want to see next. And going forward, I'll also be sharing more videos around the platform as well as the trading and psychology, what is the best way of journaling and traders improvement strategies, everything. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video pretty soon. Welcome to TradeLyser.